Okay, how am I going to do this? Okay, folks, last we left off, I had cut out this section. I actually put it on top of the wing, but the camera battery ran out and I was too dumb to realize at the time or charge up the battery. Anyhow, what we're going to do now is we're going to lay it out, we're going to measure the fabric, we're going to cut the fabric out and cement it and get it to a first fit, and then we'll iron it and it'll stretch on out. For today's fabric, we're going to use this stuff for our glue. It's aircraft quality, I know, because I found it in the aircraft section of Walmart. Anyway, if you ever use this stuff, I got to tell you that you buy it in this size. Don't buy the little jars, because you can buy one of these or you can buy one of the little jars. They're about the same price, which doesn't make any sense to me. This around. Big old piece of fabric, a piece of scrap that some good folks gave me. They do professional work. Pass down. About there. All right. We're going to highlight a few of the instructions here. You can't smoke it. It won't fix valves of some sort. It won't burn, and it won't conduct electricity. So, don't do those things. You can't get electricity out of this can. See, the lines come out and it says no electricity. But other than that, it's all pretty good. A few words for those that might know about aircraft stuff. Alright, so normally on like a lifting edge or a leading edge or something like that, you want at least 2 inches, if not 4 inches. 4 inches on a leading edge, 2 inches on a trailing edge. But this is not a lifting surface. It's pretty much just a cosmetic surface. And the truth of the matter is, this thing is it's so big and it spreads out so far. And even though it goes over the top of the wing, there's about 7 pounds of upward pressure on it, and it's more than enough for the Velcro. I'm not worried about any of the fabric coming off of this at all. So on this side, what we're going to do is put a little more light here. Is we're going to glue around the edges here, because we're going to shrink the fabric in here. We're going to do it very carefully. That'll pull all the wrinkles and stuff out of that fabric. All right. And that may be the only piece of actual certified fabric that I've ever put on my aircraft. All right, so we're just going to paint along the edge, maybe about that much. same side. Look at that. There's a little give to this, and it is going to give a bit when we put it on the aircraft. It's not going to be perfect, but that's the beauty of fabric. It shrinks. And we're going to shrink this with an iron and take all the puckers and stuff out of it. While we're doing that, we're going to work on something else.